If you're annoying. Hey Incredibles, it's Izzy, and this happens in every vlog or video. The animals come surround me and rub up against me, you know. Dog, go away. Cat, go away. Right now, oh, it's 4 o'clock, time for homework. Perfect timing. Literally, the TV's so loud. But I want something to eat for dinner. What do I want? Pizza? Oh, that's Red Baron. I was gonna say, if it's DiGiorno pizza, I could have done the whole thing. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. Is that even DiGiorno? No. I can have these as a side. Last time I had, because this thing comes with 2. And last time I had fries as a side. Now I want soft stick pretzels, cheddar. I never had these. I've never had this. I had it before and I liked it, so yeah. This, never had before, not once. Nope, not once. It's fun to do this with the hands up on the camera. Hello, doggy. Hello. You look shook. So I'm going through everything. I want my Wednesday folder back. Wednesday folder, if you guys don't have that, is when they give you on Wednesdays your tests, your projects, and also like things for your parents and stuff. Like, for example, like things for like the PTA, like or something like this is a paper for bake sale. This is, I don't know. Oh, for the play. If you guys didn't know, I got narrator in the play. Last year I got narrator / lead vocalist. Now, Zombieland. Now I got narrator. Because there's no lead vocalist, so it's fine. Yeah. Feeding the Eastern Hour, where's that? For the playbill! Freaking love that. Okay. He's right there. Hand him to my mom. She gets home. I can go there for my mom to sign, because she's not signed. Oh, and then on the back you have to sign the Wednesday folder. And if you have any comments, which your parents don't, you add comments. Okay. Oh, and look, this is my script. I remember the parts that we practiced, so I know most of it. So, yeah, but the parts we didn't practice, I don't really know it. Okay, let's see what Izzy has for homework. Project due the 14th.
Good luck now, dang it.
Yep. Study Quizlet. Quizlet is an app when you can quiz yourself for things. Yeah. Slideshow. Oh, I have to finish the freaking slideshow project. Literally, no joke. I thought it was due Friday, and my teacher must have changed the date or something, because I've had in my planner for it to be due the 11th, and tomorrow's the 10th. So yeah, current event due the 18th. Don't have to worry about that. Math. We're learning square roots in math. English test on Friday, diagramming test next Tuesday, and a social studies test Friday. So I'm gonna do another bath bomb ASMR because I love doing bath bomb ASMR. I got cotton candy ones. They smell really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications, and comment if you have any questions or video suggestions. I will see you guys next time. Bye!